Welcome to the project demonstration of mechanical gearbox with 4 different speeds from input to output using these spur gear mechanisms. And here mainly we are using the spur gear worm gear gearbox, which was already inbuilt in this DC motor to get the high torque from this one. This one is going to the worm gear, and the circle one consists of the spur gear, so which is a gear ratio of 500 to 100 rpm, so that we will get the more sufficient torque while we changing the gears between this. It will be sufficient to drive the output wheel directly. This is the input shaft and this is the main output shaft. So the gear ratio between this from input 100 rpm to in first gear, so we can see this neutral and 1 neutral 2 3 4. So in the first gear the ratio from this 100 to 20 rpm, and next second gear we are going to get the 100 to 40 rpm, and third gear is 100 to 60 rpm, and fourth gear directly 1:1 100 to 100 rpm. So we are getting to the output shaft directly. So we are using the 12 volt DC motor which will run at the 3 amps of current required. So for that we are using the 12 volt 3 amp battery pack. So this battery pack consists of 6 4 volt 1.5 ampere batteries, in that these 3 are in series, and below also section consists of the 3 sets. Totally 6 batteries are connected in series and parallel section, so we'll get 12 volt 3 amp DC output directly. And the main gear ratio, this above one is going to be the we are using the 40 gears, and the below one is 20 gears. So using those gears we are going to do the transmission between the gears. So before demonstration, keep the battery under charging at least of 4 to 5 hours till the duration the battery will charge, and after that automatically this charging circuit will block the current flow to the battery. And after charging, keep the battery under charging, then we can utilize that power directly. So it will be initial in neutral. So whenever we on before off the kit also, we should keep this under the neutral and then off the kit, and next on the kit. Right, okay, so we need to attach this 2 pin at this shown slot as we shown here. Okay, so the black color should be, and it comes to this side, then on the power supply. Right, okay, it is in neutral. And now so the first gear ratio is going to be the 20 rpm. The transmission we can see that, so from the first gear to the or main gear, and from there to this first gear will be attached over here. So this will transmit the to output driving wheel. And neutral. Right, this is going to be the 40 rpm, and the transmission from this second gear to the our main taken intake gear, and from there to the this gear is attached. And then third gear to the, again it was attached to this gear here. So from here and there to this one driving wheel. And the fourth gear directly from 1:1 gear ratio, it was attached to the main output wheel. Right, off, and first gear here. So when we off this, place it in neutral, and we can off the circuit. Right, thank you.